Welcome back to another episode, family. Afro Senpai here. Today we are talking about how to buy Bitcoin for $5. Let's go. If you're here on the channel for the first time, I create videos to show that anybody can become a millionaire. So I'm showing you steps that I take that you could take to obtain your wealth building goals. I'm a math teacher trying to prove that it's possible for anybody to do this. Okay, so anybody in my circle who I vibe with, we talk money. And I've recently been talking up Bitcoin. And in talking to people think that you have to buy the whole Bitcoin in one setting. So right here is me buying Bitcoin on the platform Coinbase, which is what I use. There's a whole bunch of platforms out there. With Coinbase, you're gonna pay a fee depending upon how much money you choose. But a lot of people are like, yeah, I'd love to get Bitcoin, but I just don't have the money for it. You're drinking a coffee. If you have money for a coffee, you have money for Bitcoin. There's an apple in here. Okay, I'm sure my daughter did that. If you haven't seen my other video about fiat money, understand why you should be purchasing some small amount of Bitcoin, whatever you can get your hands on, before the banks, before the billionaires of the world swallow it all up. And that's gonna do it for this episode. Please write in the comments if you thought you had to buy the whole coin. Just confirm that you are one of those people so other people can say, oh, I'm not the only one. And as always, do your own research. But if you decide that that's something you want to get into, I have a link in the description for my referral link to Coinbase. I will get $10, you will get $10. It's a win-win situation. If you don't like Coinbase, another popular one is called Exodus, and I'll link that in the description as well. I hope you have a beautiful day. Let's continue to rock 2021 on a high note. Let's continue to get that money. Continue to love yourself and remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.